I'm so excited to be in the kitchen with Chef Kinsan.
Hi, how are you?
Again today. I'm well, and how are you?
Good, thank you.
What are you making for me today?
Today is very simple Japanese traditional rice bowl. Name is onigiri. So normally, only rice and salt, but today I put in salmon, grilled salmon, and the nori, and a little bit roast sesame.
So you're telling me that traditionally you could serve it with umeboshi or...
Yeah, umeboshi is very popular, and also Japanese pickles.
Excellent. So we're going to make it a little bit more substantial today, a little bit more portable, so that you can have this lunch on the run.
Yep. Okay, we start. So first, we're cooking for rice. So when I was cooking for rice, washing rice first.
So we'd wash all of the starch out of it first, so that the water is running clear.
Yep.
Excellent. So for people at home, Kinsan's going to teach you how to get the perfect rice.
So rice is when I was cooking. So basically, rice with water inside is better. That's why when I was washing, after keep 1 hour. So more, like a taste is good.
Okay.
So, but if quickly, so still half an hour is okay, but must be less is better.
And so once you've rinsed it, we're going to leave it for about half an hour.
That's right.
Room temperature or refrigerated, does it matter?
Refrigerated, okay.
Excellent. Okay, so after we've washed our rice.
Yep, water. So water is if rice is 1 cup, water is 1.2 cup.
That's an easy thing to remember.
20% is more is right.
Excellent.
Water.
So even if we're doing for a family of 4, 20% more water than rice.
Yes.
Easy to remember.
Then when I was for heat up, first big fire. When I was boiling, take small.
Okay, so we want to bring it to the boil fast. And then you're turning it down.
Exactly, yes. Then after for small fire, then slowly is steam is a rest.
Excellent.
If less and then looks like for ready, take.
Okay.
And keep about for 15 minutes. And ready to eat.
Okay, so we're going to let the steam cook the rice, so an absorption method for people at home. And as soon as the steam has cooked it and it looks good enough, we're going to take it, put it aside for 15 minutes. You got that?
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So while our rice is cooking, what's the next step?
Next, we're cooking salmon. Salt is on top. Today, I cooking style is 2 different kind of thing. One is not skin. One is on skin. On skin is good, but have to be take off scale is good.
So be very careful. We don't want any scales in our in our dish.
Then, like this tray on top. So when our salmon is on top like this plate, so 200 degrees and put in the oven, like grill oven.
So the grill setting for 200 degrees, about how long will we?
About 7 minutes. Depends for size.
Okay.
Yeah, but this size is about 7 minutes enough.
Okay, excellent. I hope you do that. So we've got our salmon, it's well done under that grill. I'll pass you your bowl.
Yep. So when it was ready to cook, after put in here and crush. So I'm using for spatula today.
So we're just breaking up all the flakes of the salmon.
Then nori. But before nori put in here, toast it.
So we're going to toast the nori sheet. So this is something that people might not usually do at home. They would know it usually for sushi rolls.
Yeah, so sushi nori is a very good one. Of course, very good flavor. So this flavor is coming for a little bit toast is better. So that's me. Whenever you go to Japan and a good sushi shop, before making for nori roll, they have to be like this. And the flavor is coming after making nori roll.
So it's a slightly more roasty, toasty flavor.
Yeah, and also like a good crunchy. Yeah, because normally, so sushi roll is buy for in Australia already making. That's a little bit wet.
Yes.
Yeah, this one has a not so good flavor.
Okay, but so when it's wet, traditionally how we may be used to seeing it over here, it doesn't have all of the flavor that you're creating with this.
Yes.
Excellent. So that's a nice little tip for us to get used to at home.
So maybe you can try for this normal nori flavor.
Uh-huh.
And and toasted one, a little bit difference. So
Okay, so it's quite mild, just very gentle flavors of this sea. Little bit just green in terms of what we'd normally recognize seaweed to taste like.
yeah, this one is more, like a kind
Can I
of.
take a little bit?
Yes, it's crunchy and ocean flavor.
Yeah, more intense.
Yes,
So everything is
that's right.
concentrated and it's crunchy, as you said.
That's right.
So we're going to be using it as a seasoning.
Yes.
Okay.
So when I was, like toasted after crunchy,
Ah,
like this.
this looks like something to get your kids involved with.
Yeah. The smell is
What
good.
fun!
Next is a raw sesame.
Okay, so we've just pan toasted those.
Yes.
Excellent.
But
Extra
almost,
flavor.
yeah, if you buy for Japanese grocery, already roasted one. You can
Even
buy.
better, even
Yeah.
more convenient. Look
Yeah.
out for the pre-roasted sesames.
After, so we are making for rice.
Ah, so that's the absorption method. So we can see sort of a few little dimples in the top there.
Rice is inside. Then already this salmon is a salt taste already. But today, a little bit more taste inside.
So we're going to add even more seasonings to bring it
Yeah.
even more to life.
Okay, this one is a Kewpie mayonnaise.
So this is, it used to be when in the late 90s, I couldn't find this anywhere and I had friends send it to me from Japan, but now you can find it everywhere, which is very
Very popular,
exciting.
very
So you
popular.
always have to have it in your fridge.
And also today's obento Japanese soy sauce.
Excellent.
Just a little bit is okay. Soy
Couple of
sauce.
traditional
Yeah, that's
seasonings
flavor.
there. A little bit of sweetness, creaminess, and saltiness.
Yep. Then you can use it for just water and make the hand because otherwise it's sticky. So
Ah,
making like this and depends how to big. So normally, so people making for kind of a triangle. Then after another nori sheet on top looks onigiri.
how beautiful.
So another onigiri, okay. This one is a triangle one. Other one is a tawara onigiri. Tawara onigiri is a kind of like this.
Ah, so a cylinder.
Yeah. So tawara means rice bag. In Japanese, rice bag.
Okay.
In the tawara.
Okay.
And they're making like this.
Oh,
Looks good too.
beautiful. So this is going to be a very appealing lunch.
That's right.
They just look so beautiful, Chef.
Thank you very much.
This is something that I'm definitely going to recreate at home, and I think my students will really love the process as well. Thank you so much for being here, Chef Kinsan. Thank you for showing me this gorgeous dish.
So this one is very good for family. So picnic or Sunday picnic lunch is better. So called to salmon onigiri. Japanese name is shake onigiri.
Something that everyone can make at home.
Thank you. So enjoy.